that, you open a new tab, and then on the bottom right corner you have customize Chrome. Click that and you get this new sidebar with a few options to customize your theme, colors, and the way Chrome looks on your computer. So the first thing that you can do is you can pick any of these colors, right? You can switch between these colors, and if I want to pick a color that's not in this list, click this icon and then I can choose one. I can even enter the RGB value or HSL value or hex here and select a color. Another thing that you can do is click change theme, and then you can pick one of these images as background, and as the background is set, you'll see that the tab colors, the window colors are also extracted from the image. So if I pick this, the color of this image is actually used to create a theme for the whole browser window. So I can even set this to refresh daily, so every day I'll have a new image from this category as background, and the theme also would change automatically. And these are additional categories. You must be familiar with those if you are an Android user. You have pretty much the same set of categories on the Android phone as well. Now, what if you want to install a custom theme? Scroll all the way down under this Chrome Web Store shortcut, which takes you to the themes category of the Web Store. So you can install a theme from here. So that's how you change the look and feel. And at any point, if you want to reset, just click reset to classic Chrome and you're back to the default color settings. The other option is you can show or hide shortcuts on the new tab page. So you'll see that the shortcuts are hidden when I disable this toggle. After enabling the toggle, I have one more option to choose from. So I can either have my shortcuts, that's something that I create, or I can use most visited sites. If I choose this, the list of websites here will change automatically based on the most frequently visited websites. Now, if I were to choose my shortcuts, I can add a website here. So if I want to add Gmail, what I would do is I'll call it Gmail, and then enter the URL, click done, and I have that shortcut there. So you can either create your set of shortcuts or use most visited tabs. So that's how you customize Google Chrome using the new customizer menu on the sidebar. Make Chrome look the way you want. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button below. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel for more Chrome and Chrome OS content. Thank you.